In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can make beans on toast. It's a very simple, easy lunch to do. The first thing we do is use the nifty ring pull to open the can. And this is a nice serving just for one person. And then we're just going to pour them in. Okay, you might need a spoon to get them all out. So this can get quite messy. So preferably if you've got cling film, just put it over the top and pierce it a few times. We haven't got any today, so I'm going to use a plate. So the next step is to just open the microwave like so. And then put your item. As this is only a small tin of beans for one person, 2 minutes will be enough in the microwave. Okay, so I'm just going to literally go to here. And set it for 2 minutes. While the beans are cooking nicely, I'm going to take a couple of rounds of bread and put them into the toaster. So now that the toaster's done, let's check the beans. Now that our beans are cooked properly, a good tip to check the food is piping hot throughout is to put a knife in the food and then take it out and just test, and it's nice and hot. We're going to take our toast and butter. Make sure you get those corners. I like to cut them into triangles. Arrange it nicely on the plate, like so. And we simply just pour the beans nicely into the middle. So it's really important that we present food well, because don't forget we eat with our eyes. Another point to remember is sometimes older people prefer a warm plate. So you can either put a plate in the oven whilst you're cooking, or you can put it in the microwave so it's nice and warm when you serve the food. And this is how we make beans on toast.